everyone, today I'm going to shampoo my hair. I want to show you how to shampoo your braids if you have braids. I put these braids in November and I'm going to wash it. I have washed it before but have not a chance to show you how I do that. So now I'm going to show you how I shampoo my braids and still keep it looking nice. This is what it looks like. It is still looking good. So I want to keep it for another month. I am using the Aveda Cherry Almond Softening Shampoo Sweet Floral Aroma. This is it right here. And I'm using the Cherry Almond Softening Conditioner Sweet Floral Aroma. And this is it right here. It's almost done because they're both almost done. I use them a lot. So we're going to start and I'll show you. This is my hair. I have a scrunchy hair. I will just twist my hair like this and then I'll roll it up and then I just tie my hair and pull the ends. Quick and easy. So this is how I wear my hair most of the time, and now I'm ready to shampoo. There'll be a lot of noise. So remember, it is in the shower. So this is what my hair looks like. I hope the lighting is perfect. I hope you can see my hair because the lighting in the bathroom could be tricky. So this is my hair. This is what the braids look like. My hair is already growing out, as you can see. If you look, my hair is growing out from this. If you notice, can you see my hair is growing out, but I want to keep it again for another month. So maybe in February I'll take it out, or maybe the end of January. I don't know, but I'm loving it and I'm rocking it and I want to keep it longer. Okay, let's start the process. Now I set my water. Gotta make sure it's warm water. I don't do cold water. It has to be warm or hot. Okay, warm up, warm up. Now it's warming up. I am going in between each row of braids and I am passing the shampoo in there. The first thing I did was rinse my hair out, and as you can see, my hand has the shampoo undiluted, and I am just going to go in between my scalp, in between the braids on my scalp, and rub it a little. Try not to disturb too much of the hair, just stay in the scalp. That's one side. I need more, and then I go down the braid. I take more shampoo in, it's undiluted, and I go to each braid. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Trying to come closer, but make sure I have light. I have all the lights on in the bathroom, so I hope it's bright enough. And then I take my hand and I go down the braid with the excess shampoo that's left on my hand, and I am just doing that. So now I just massage my scalp. Now it's time to rinse it out. I'm going to do a second shampoo. The second shampoo, I don't need a lot like I did. The first time was to take out all the buildup. Now it's just to make sure all of it is off. I go in between the braids to my scalp and massage. Okay, let me see if I can show you what it looks like. Hopefully the lighting is fine. See? This is it. So I'll go like this. In between. In between, so you don't mess up your braids, so they can last longer. Now my scalp is nice and clean. My hair is clean. Take a look. And I'm truly enjoying the braids. That's the first time I've made them that small, so that's why I'm keeping them that long. Now I'm going to use my conditioner. That's the wash of conditioner. Done. Almost done. It's not done yet. Almost done. I rub it and I do the same thing. I go in between. I do it on my scalp. Some people don't do it on their scalp. That's them. I put it on my scalp because I want it to be there. And I don't leave it long. I just pass it through. And I rinse. And that is how I shampoo my braids. It feels so good to have, a clean scalp. What good on your scalp. As I say, you can see the growth I have already, all the new growth. And that's what I do. I will take this hair and I'll show you how I dry my hair. I take a towel, I put the hair like this. And I wrap it. So you can soak in all the water. If not, you will have a mess of water dripping everywhere you go. So you need to wipe it all off so you're not dripping water everywhere. Please remember that. Or if you want to walk around outside, you can. Sometimes I will do that. I will leave it like this and I'll go outside. Now I'm going to dry the scalp and my ears so I don't end up with vertigo. Now that I have take off the excess water, I go back and I do this with it. And I'm going to roll it up and I'm going to tie it within itself. And I just pull this like this and it is all taken care of for now. I think it's just steamy in here. So now I'm going to take this down. You see how it looks? It looks really nice. It is. The braids are just beautiful. I am beautiful. You're beautiful. We're all beautiful people with our attitude. Enjoy life. Now I have a bottle with water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner in there. So I shake it because when you don't use it, it settles. So now this is what it looks like. And I spray. I don't give my hair any grease now because my hair is wet. So I don't grease it. But I'll grease it after it dry. But I'm giving it some leave-in conditioner. And call it that for today. I don't want to spray my ears. And that's why I take out the excess water, because I'm not just rubbing the leave-in conditioner in the hair. I'm spraying it, so that's more water. So I want to make sure I don't have too much. Make sure every part of my hair gets it, because that's what needs it. Not this, don't need it. This is the fake braid hair. But my scalp and up to my hairs from here to there. So this is the length of my hair. So I want to make sure all of it get. Everything else after that is fake. So if you look closely, you'll see from the roots all the way here. That's my hair. So I just part it to make sure all my hair, my real hair, gets it. And the excess will just slide down the fake hair. And then again, I damp this section of the hair because I know I can feel water starting to drip through. So I do this, I wring enough water out. Okay, now we feel good. And this is the way I take care of the braids. This is it. When it's dry, I will put a little bit, I'll grease my scalp. And that's that. And every day, as you can see, my hair is outgrowing. See this? My hair is outgrowing right there, coming right out of the braid. So this is the length of my hair, right here. So this is how you shampoo and take care of your braids, clean your scalp, and then moisturize it to make sure your hair stays healthy. And it will grow if you take care of it. If you eat the right foods and you take care of the inside, then, and also if you take care of the inside and then the outside, your hair will grow. So again, thank you all for watching. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I simply make up a saying, to go out and live a fabulous life. Life is short, live it to the fullest. Bye. Love you all.